This lady loses her mind over a parking space. How would you react in this situation?
Can you not do that, please? The parking space needs to be over here. Why? Because my guest and I have those two spaces, and yours people park there all the time. No. Yeah. Yours is next to your car. Mine is next to mine. I used to park there every day for like a year. No, you never ever did. You're gonna tell me? Yes, I did. No, yes, I did. I want her to move the car. She's not gonna move the car. I am so inconvenient.
Where's the camera?
I don't care.
You call the police. You just assaulted
I
me.
don't care. No, I didn't. I
You
want
did.
her to move the car.
Did you hear
me? Move the car and don't wage war with me.
I'm not waging war with you.
Ma'am, you need to get the hell out here and move the car.
Did she call you that?
On my arm back here, you can see those broken skin marks. I just hydrogen peroxide it.
Do
But...
you want to press charges against her?
Oh, I would love to.
Okay.
Go to hell, you liar. Liar. Liar, liar, liar. Liar, liar. Liar, liar, liar. Liar, liar, liar.
Just watch what happens next.
Mano, deu ruim aqui. Abre o vidro aí.
Meu Deus.
Abre o vidro.
Aperta aí, filho.
Aperta aqui pra abrir o vidro, papai.
Aperta aí. Vai, aperta aí, ver. Aperta aí pra mamãe ver. Deixa eu ver. Vai, amor, corre.
Tá?
Corre. Aperta, filho, deixa eu ver.
Abre mais.
Aê!
They were finally able to get the windows rolled down.
Ai, meu coração.
Parabéns.
Aê!
Calma, mamãe vai ficar nesse.
She was upset
Hi,
about talking
it's
to
me,
her
the
husband.
neighbor. Can you open the door, please? And you spoke to my husband, so that's why I want to discuss with you.
I spoke to your husband.
Yeah, you did, didn't you?
What do you mean?
Did you speak to my husband?
Yeah, I dropped the package off. I dropped the package off. Obviously, he wasn't in, so I dropped the package off, and he collected the package.
And that was it? Why did you speak to my husband then?
Completely, of course. Because I had to drop off the parcel, like a good neighbour. It was delivered to mine. It was delivered to my house. Obviously, I delivered it off, dropped it
But
off.
you shouldn't speak to my husband without my knowledge.
What do you want me to do then? Should I just leave it outside to get stolen? Sorry?
It won't get stolen. Just don't speak to my husband, please. Just leave it outside next time.
Yeah, next time I'll leave it outside and you'll have no parcel to go home to because it will be stolen. This area is notorious for parcels getting
Yes, just leave it
stolen.
outside. Don't ever speak to my husband again, okay?
What do you mean? What's your problem? What's your issue?
Well, I'm not happy
I don't
when you speak
understand.
to my husband. I'm not happy about it. Yeah, you understand?
I think you've lost your mind, my love. I think you need to go and have a sit down and have a cup of tea. I think that would be the perfect thing for you to
I
do.
don't drink tea.
All right?
I just don't want you to speak to my husband like that.
I was wondering if I could pick up the leaves in the front of your house.
His car ended up stolen after this.
Hi. Please wait, it may take me a moment to answer.
Hello? Hello? Hi, man. I was wondering if I could pick up the leaves in the front of your house.
Pick up the leaves in front of my house this time of night?
Yeah, I'm just trying to help people as much as I could.
Oh, no. No, I'm good. Thank you.
No problem. You have a good night.
You too.
Be aware of these scams.
Hello, assalamu alaikum, brother.
Hello, Islam?
Sorry to bother you. I just seen sister. Maybe she was scared because it's late at night. I'm very sorry to disturb you and your family, mashallah. But I'm just living on Bowers Lane here. Basically what's happened is, brother, I lost my mom sadly about 2 hours ago, and I have my 2 children. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Brother, all I'm trying to do, I'm trying to get some heating on because my heating ran out. The neighbour next to you, they gave me £4. I'm trying to get up to the £10. I need to put my gas on. But inshallah, please, brother, if you can help me, I'm really in need. Please, inshallah. They said to me to knock here. I'm just trying to get £6. I've got £4 already from next door. They said that you're a nice family. You help me. Wow. Go with Allah, brother.
This looks straight out of a horror film.
Hi, Dad.
Hello? It's 1:15 in the morning.
That's terrifying.
The caller fell asleep after calling the police.
Okay, you saw the call. I did the call history for the address. The only thing I'm showing is a couple of the instructions in a 1021.
10-4.
Hi, is everything okay?
Well, ma'am, that's what we're trying to find out. We had a 911 call that shows that it was possibly coming from this address. Are you okay?
I'm all sleeping in here.
Okay. There was a call to 911, and there was a female crying on the other end of the line, and then she didn't say anything, and then it became snoring. Is there someone elderly in the house that might be in distress?
No, it's just me, my husband, and 2 kids.
Okay, and everyone's okay
Yeah,
here?
let me go check my daughter.
Okay.
I don't have any outgoing calls to 911 on my phone.
Okay, but you guys are all fine here?
Okay, yes.
Okay, thank you, folks. Sorry to bother you.
Thank you. That's okay. Thank you.
When solicitors
Alright, so
don't get the
Fleegs here
message.
thinks that if you just don't answer the door, they'll just walk away and they'll be on their merry way. Now let's watch this. Pay attention to the timestamps on the top right. It is 2:06 right now. And this guy just knocked for the first time. He rang the doorbell. And his buddy's walking all over my grass again. His buddy's actually right next to my no trespassing sign too. You can see it on that light post. This guy knocked again, rung the doorbell again, 2:07. He knocks again, rings the doorbell again. He's going on 2.5 minutes of knocking on my door straight. And let's see what happens here. Is he going to knock again? Yep, he is. 2:08, knocks again, rings the doorbell again. So he's been out here for about 5 minutes now, knocking on my doorbell. See the timestamp, 2:09. And did they go away peacefully, and was that the end of it? Let's see, Fleeks. Let's see if your big brain strategy works out here. Oh, wow. Looks like they're just walking away. Wow. Oh, no. Now, hold on there, Fleeks. Hold on there, big boy. That's not happening. They're back again. Look at the timestamp. 5:29. That's right. They came right back a couple hours later. They won't stop coming if you don't answer the door. They'll just keep coming back and back and back. Think I haven't been through this before? It's not my first rodeo.
Hey, how's it going? What's going on? Not too much. Sounds like you got a zoo in there. Yeah, what's up? Yeah, well, keep it super quick if you just want to step out super fast. What's up? Yeah, we're just coming.
This is why you always keep your doors locked.
Hello? 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 Can I help you? Hello? Excuse me. Hello? Can I help you? I'm just standing in our driveway. I've been trying to talk to her, and she's not responding at all. She rang the doorbell. Hello? Hello? Can we help you? If you're speaking, I can't hear you. You'd have to come a little closer. I can't hear you if you're talking. Let's keep going.
Their dog got a pinched nerve.
have no idea. He was running. What the fuck? What is it? He was running.
They parked at the front door only to throw the package.
You can't deliver it properly? You have to just throw it? We got it on camera. We're going to file a complaint with Amazon. Thank you. No, you don't. There's no reason. You're always at the front door right here. There's no reason to throw it.
I see it.
All right, have a good day.
How many stars for this delivery? Some people need the reverse camera. When your home gets flooded. Their dog wanted to have a little fun. He wanted a picture with their beautiful car.
Take the helmet off, yeah.
One day, inshallah.
Ready?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Is that alright?
No shame at all with this one. He tried to break in.
Bitch ass nigga the door locked.
This man was caught stealing a bike from the back of the home. What do you do in this situation? This man was extremely lucky. Good to have great neighbors. Stay safe out there. A kid's bike. Seriously? Where could he be going with these? They are heavily dedicated.